Honestly, these bikers, they're simply on a death wish. What is wrong with them, like? Crazy. You stupid git. Knee hazard lights on are F-all. Right on the, just as you're coming round a bend. Bloody hell. That is a white van sausage. Are you well?
Ah, very well, thank you. How's the family?
Yeah, good. Yourselves? Wait until the green
Yeah,
lights
not
on,
bad,
man.
thanks. Got some
hell.
friends over from the Wirral.
All the sausage.
At the week.
See, they need to stop wagons overtaking each other on the motorway. A transporter wagon is hardly making any ground at all. Rather than just overtaking, blocking the middle lane, just drop your cruise control a couple of miles an hour and just lag back. You're not going to get anywhere quicker. Absolutely sausage big time.
Waking up to this morning, Manchester City midfielder Phil Foden is going to be back to his best soon after making a low-key start to the season as manager.
Away, man, get off the road. Bloody hell. Sausage.
And was also named PFA Player of the Year, but as yet he's been used sparingly so far this season.
When I let you cross, seeing them such a thing. You get off your phone when you cross on the road, you sausage. Bloody hell!
I'm really looking forward to the Sound of Music.
Oh, okay, nice. Yeah. Growing up, she was like, you'd look at people's birthdays when you were a kid, you shared your birthday. Yeah. Her and Walter Matthau. Oh, really? Was always the ones I used to see all the time. Joan Collins was mine. Was it really?
Well, that's convenient. Yeah, it's actually a good point, Rufus. It's very convenient.
I said when I was a
share a birthday with somebody you know.
What the hell was the point of overtaking? You absolute sausage. Seriously. Honest to God, like.